Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I was just daydreaming. Yeah, year 6, I think I better get going, so we gotta get the heck out of here. I am having an anxiety. I stepped on the rope and then I went up through the highs. Cut me free! Uh-huh. I am so sorry for not listening and I stepping on the booby trap. And I thought I was gonna protect you guys since I am not finna die. But I don't want to get my bodies cut off into the slaughter machine. You're right, 6. I gotta watch my step. I don't want to cross over to the slaughter machine, but it'll cutting off my body parts and getting all blood mess. Sometimes it's so hard to be patient and I wasn't expecting to follow the same plan because I will die by the slaughter machine. Okay, 6. I won't die inside the slaughter machine. I promise you as long as you can. I promise.
Chapter 3. The Sharpness Saw.
I was feeling bad about what I just did. I was having a bad dream about the dark hell monster who bounded into hell, so I bound in hell. I know that you want me to protect you, Mono, 7 and Raincoat Girl. I was being snapped about the painting white color of my skin. When I stick with Blue Hedgehog, even though you and your friend Raincoat Girl vanished from me, and I were abandoned about 2 years ago. Please don't go away. Just keep your hood on, okay? Something's wrong with me, but it's not what I just live in the anim's world, and it hurts my pain. Yes. If I was a Middle Age, I went too far about who bounds you into hell. I was doing a horrible editor on the Gacha Club, and I edit the hell monster who dragged into hell, and you vanished me into it. But if I was a Middle Age for vanishing above you, rain-colored girl, 7 and more, I were bounded into hell. I was ignorant. I was being selfish. I were cruel. And I am a coward. And now I will be bound in through hell if I was to find for you. It's not real. It's a bad dream. Why am I so selfish for vanishing for a few? Yes. I missed you guys so much for never vanished me. I know I'm not listening, but I got to be careful, and I am so sorry.